Hi everybody. Today I'm making 2-ingredient emergency bread using self-rising flour and some ginger ale. Now I've made this before and it's a little dense. It's not fluffy like your normal sandwich bread, but it works. So I've measured out already in my bowl. I have 3 cups of self-rising flour, and in here this is 13 ounces of ginger ale. Now the recipe that I used, it says depending on what type of flour you use, it could be anywhere from 10 ounces to 13 ounces of ginger ale. So I have 13 because I think that's what I used last time, but we'll see. So you just mix the two together. I'm going to leave a little bit just in case. All you do is add the two together and stir it up. Without getting it everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna need more. I'm trying to get the flour that's on the bottom of the bowl. There we go. You see, I used the, I think it's the Great Value self-rising flour, so mine does need the extra liquid. And then all you gotta do is put it in the pan. And I've already got my buttered pan. And I keep forgetting to buy cooking spray, so I just melted down some butter. I think the recipe does say line it with parchment paper, but I buttered it instead, so hopefully it'll work. I'll scrape the rest of that in a minute. All right, so that's it. And my oven is preheated to 375, and it's supposed to take 35 minutes if you had less liquid, 45 minutes if you had to add extra liquid. So I'll put it in the oven and I'll be right back. And we have bread! Yay! So, you see how this turned out? Nice golden brown, about 45 minutes. All right, so let me slice off a piece and show you what the inside looks like. You can hear the crust and the dogs. Food? Yes, food. All right, so there you go. You see how that looks. Now I'm gonna try a bite. Very chewy, but it is good. Very dense. I'll toss one for you, baby. But it is pretty good. You know what I should have done? Added garlic and cheese.